Hello students, let me ask you a quick question. What's the name of this compound? Let me draw. So most of you struggle to name this compound. So today I will help you to understand the most important concept of organic chemistry, which is IUPAC naming. So what is IUPAC naming? So IUPAC stands for International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. Okay, so basically an international organization that created a universal system for naming chemical compounds. Okay, one compound equal to one name. Okay, so think of it like this: no matter which country you are from, the number 5 means 5. IUPAC naming does the same thing for chemicals. One name understood everywhere. Okay, so let's see the next, that is carbon chain naming. Carbon chain naming. In IUPAC naming, everything starts with counting carbon. Everything starts with counting carbon. Counting carbon, and there is a prefix based on total number of carbon present in the compound. Okay, for example, total number of carbon is 1, so prefix will meth. Total number of carbon if 2, prefix will be eth. 3 prop. 8 oct. 9 non. And 10 dec. Okay, understood? Okay, so now let's naming the alkane. Naming alkanes. Okay, so now let's talk about alkanes. So alkanes are alkanes are simplest organic compounds, just carbon and hydrogen. Carbon and हाइड्रोजन कनेक्टेड बाय सिंगल बॉन्ड ओनली. अल्केन्स के अंदर सिर्फ सिंगल बॉन्ड ही होता है, दैट इज कार्बन सिंगल बॉन्ड हाइड्रोजन. सो जस्ट टेक योर प्रीफिक्स एंड एड ए एन ई एट द एंड. दैट मीन्स प्रीफिक्स प्लस ए एन ई is equal to alkane. For example, let's take an example. CH4. CH4. Okay, one carbon. Okay, one carbon, that is meth plus ANE. क्या फॉर्म हुआ? मीथेन. What it is? Methane. Methane. Okay, now let's take second example. C5H12. C5H12, that is 5 carbon. 1 2. How many carbon? 5 carbon. 5 carbon means what? Pent plus ANE. So what it will form? Pentane. क्या बन गया वो? पेंटेन. नाउ यू सी द पैटर्न. एक पैटर्न देखो. द नेम लिटरली टेल्स यू एग्जैक्टली हाउ मेनी कार्बन्स आर इनसाइड. ये नाम तुम्हें खुद बताएगा कि कितने कार्बन से कोई भी एक मतलब कंपाउंड के अंदर. एंड दैट्स द ब्यूटी ऑफ IUPAC नेमिंग. द कार्बन पैटर्न. लेट्स सी द कार्बन पैटर्न. नाउ लुक एट दिस स्ट्रक्चर टुगेदर. इन दोनों स्ट्रक्चर को साथ में देखो. सो दिस स्ट्रक्चर, see this carbon, and see this carbon. Okay, so what you will find, the end carbon, जो end carbon है, this end carbon and this end carbon, what they exactly have? CS3. So end carbon क्या है? end carbon always has 3 hydrogen. always has 3 hydrogens. So we call it CH3. We call it CH3, and middle carbon always have 2 hydrogen. 2 hydrogen. So we call it CH2. CH2. So any straight chain alkane is just CH3 at both end with as many CH2 groups in the middle as you need. So once you see this pattern, you can draw any alkane in second. Any alkanes in second. Now naming the chain. Sorry, numbering the chain. Numbering the chain. Last thing for today, numbering. This feels simple now but becomes super important when we get to branches in part 2. Rule is simple, always number the carbon chain. Always number the carbon chain from left to right. From left to right. Okay, from always left to right. For straight chain. For straight chain. For example, CH3, CH2, 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 CH3. So always start from left to right. So what is it? This is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, and 5, and always start from one end. एक एंड से शुरू करके दूसरे एंड तक जाना है. अंडरस्टूड? सो क्या नाम है इसका जो मैंने अभी ड्रॉ किया? 1. So count the carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 carbon. 5 carbon means pent. सब सिंगल बॉन्ड है, दैट इज ANE. प्रीफिक्स प्लस ANE क्या बन रहा है हमारा? दैट इज द पेंटेन. ओके, नाउ क्विक चैलेंज. ड्रॉ अ 7 carbon chain. Draw it. Okay, so CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2. 1, 2, 3. ओके, तो क्या है ये? हेप्टेन. क्या है ये? हेप्टेन. सो इफ यू गेट दैट राइट, you are already thinking like a chemist. Okay, so you now know the prefix, how alkanes are named, the CH3 and CH2 pattern, and how to number a straight chain. If this helped you, don't forget to subscribe. Part 2 is coming very soon, and trust me, you don't want to miss it. See you in the next video. Thank you.